How to check in with Air China. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check in with Air China. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open any of the browser that is available and search for Air China. Then you gotta search for the official website of Air China. Be really careful so you don't click on any other link. So click on www.airchina.com.cn. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to the official website of Air China, but you'll notice that the entire website is in Chinese. So first you have to translate it into English or any other language if you want to do so, and then you gotta click on check-in here. Here, you'll also be able to see two options. One is check-in, other is reprint boarding pass. So if you have checked in before and you want to reprint the boarding pass, you can click over here. But if you're checking in for the first time, you're going to click on check-in over here and you'll be redirected to the check-in page, which is also in Chinese. Just translate it into English. And here you'll be able to see a form. So you need to type down the passenger's name, the passenger's ticket ID number, enter your ticket number or reservation code, departure airport, arrive at the airport, enter your flight number, flight dates. Once done, simply click on pick up the ticket and then you'll see an option of downloading your boarding pass. And as easy as that, that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.